Hey all, this is Samudita from Adya's Kitchenettes. Hope you all are doing good. Be safe, stay home. These are all my recipes. Edible cup chocolava, edible rose made from biscuits, edible edible rakhi made from beetroot and carrot halwa, sweet corn based pizza, tiranga jelly fruit cake, millet rabri, red velvet no bake cake, Swiss roll, banana custard no bake, pumpkin nog, sugar-free coconut laddus made from strawberry and cocoa powder as coloring agents. This is my red velvet smoothie. I'll be sharing all the recipes in the description box, please. So this special laddu is not a deep fried laddu. It's only made of 3 ingredients, 2 tablespoons of ghee. It's for vrat or fasting people or people who are on diet can enjoy this because it has no sugar, and coloring agent is the fresh fruit pulp. So no worries, you can just have it without any guilt. This is the ripened papaya pulp, 1 cup. My papaya was very sweet, so I have used only papaya puree, ghee 2 tablespoons, and sago, sabudana or sabaki, which is soaked and drained. I have used the small variety, so it was only soaked for half an hour, and nuts for garnishing. So now in a saucepan, I'll add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Here, if you wanted to make it a plant-based kheer, you can use almond milk, coconut milk, cashew milk. I'll give you all the options to get this orange color or saffron color. You can use the saffron or kesari. You can use carrot puree. I have used ripened papaya. Since it was very sweet, I didn't use any other sugar or sweetener. So now I'm adding sago, and I'll roast it until it gets translucent. I have used papaya puree because it aids in digestion, weight loss, anti-aging, and it's a diabetic friendly fruit. Since I wanted to give it a look of a motichur laddu, I've not used any milk. So you can use milk and make it as kheer as well, like sabudana carrot kheer, sabudana papaya kheer. Or if you want it, you can just put it onto a butter paper and just cut it into burfi shape as well. So these are all the options you can use. And now to this I am adding my sweetened papaya puree. If your papaya is a little less sweeter, you can add dates puree, you can add honey, you can add jaggery, or you can go for normal sugar also if you like it. So just keep stirring until the papaya gets infused into the sabudana and both of them start leaving the pan, and it forms a mass or lump, so that you can make a laddu easily. To this stage you can add a little amount of ghee just to give it a glossy look. For my photo session I had to do this. This is completely optional. If you are going to make it as a kheer, you can just boil the milk, coconut milk or almond milk, and then add the sabudana. So you can see it's leaving the pan and forming the mass. So my sabudana motichur laddu is ready. So when it is little warm, you can just make a balls or laddus. I've crossed my fingers, and I can definitely think that you would like this experiment, and you will implement it for yourself and actually explore many other options. And finally you can garnish it with nuts, which are dry roasted or or any raw nuts. It's your choice. Happy Navratri to all. Thanks all. Please do like, share and subscribe Aadya's Kitchenettes. Chia.